what's going on, guys? So it's been quite a while since we did our last vlog. I think the last thing we did was like the turpentine. Okay, so anyways, we are on our way to Amritsar now. We are flying there with Qatar. The lounge was absolutely terrible.
It was awful.
It was so bad. My grandparents hyped it up because they've flown with Qatar before and they were like, oh, there's so much food, there's like a buffet. But they flew from Montreal, and so I guess the lounge there is different, and the buffet's like, oh, why does it say the touch AF canceled? No, whatever. Anyways, they were saying that the buffet's like crazy good and so good, so like we were ready to eat when we got there, and when I got there, there was like a jumcha of mac and cheese, and like I mostly just ended up eating salad. But anyways, we're in the flight now, and the flight itself is actually freaking awesome. So this is my first time flying with Qatar. My parents have flown with them before, but I actually haven't gone to India in 12 years. How long has it been? 10 years, yeah. So going after like a really long time. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys like the little, I guess they call it the suite. So this is what it looks like real quick. Let's flip this around. Then I got my little pillow. I have my own little amenity bag. This one's for men, so it's a little bit different. Let's see what's inside. You want to open it?
Yeah, sure. So you get like a sleeping mask.
So we got the sleeping mask, which I'm not going to use. Socks. I'm definitely going to steal the socks.
Some facial mist.
Facial mist. What else?
I will use that. Some anti-aging moisturizer.
Anti-aging, that's always good. I don't want to look old.
Some
and
lip
that's
balm,
a lip balm.
and some earplugs.
I thought that was floss.
I think that's
Alright, let's put that away. And then you got like a little blanket thing here. You have all your seat controls, which is pretty cool. I like this thing. So it actually has like a bunch of games built in. You can like take it out and pull it back and then like play with it. Oh, I don't know how to make it go back. Whatever, we'll leave it there. And then you go around and you have like your own little compartment thing. So you got your own water. She gave us like a bunch of snacks, so I obviously hoarded them. And then in here I have my night suit, so it's just like a long sleeve and like some pajama pants and slippers or something like that. And then the coolest thing is that they give you noise canceling headphones, which is pretty sweet. Because I only have AirPods and you can't connect the AirPods to the TV, which sucks. That's really like the whole suite. So I gave you guys like a little tour, and we'll touch base again once we're in Doha. How's the food?
It's really good.
What are you eating? Alus?
Potatoes?
Alright guys, so we're in Doha now. We're in their lounge, which is way better. I'm whispering because it's like super quiet in here, so I feel weird if I like talk loud. But yeah, this is so much better than the one that was in the Logan airport. It's not even funny.
Like,
it's so nice. I'll show you guys like the outside here. I don't know if you can really see though.
aloo,
Tomato see.
matar paneer.
And hummus. It's matar paneer. See, there's a couple of matar. So, yeah. The dinosaur's head moves. That's so sick.
It's an amusement park in the... Oh my god, that thing's creepy.
It's like they didn't watch the...
Oh, it's Harrods in here.
Oh, it's a tea room though. It's not like Harrods. duty free. Do you want to check out duty free first?
Sure.
QDF. There's like a whole like food court here too.
There's a college.
Oh, if there's a McDonald's, you might have to go hit the McDonald's. Oh, there's a Burger King. I think I'm the only person that would come. Like,
I don't care for Burger King.
Isn't that different?
I don't know, but I don't really care for Burger King, you know? It's nothing like crazy.
Yo, Harrod's tea room is pretty cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yo, look at that giant thing.
What is that?
I don't know, but I want to go there and see it.
Oh, look at the Carlsberg, Ferraris and